Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I've got a few unboxings today. I am going to be unboxing some Sony accessories for the Sony camera that we are using to film right now. So this is the first video that is live with the new Sony camera. If you all want any of these accessories, if you all have a Sony a6100 or a Sony vlogging camera, these might work for you. I will link them down in the description below. But without further ado, let's get into it. Well guys, to kick things off, we've got a box here, we've got a thing here, and we've got a vlogger kit and a wireless go-to. If you all do not know what this is, I will explain these boxes here in just a minute. This camera is so cool though. Let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, still getting used to this new camera, but the audio on this thing is amazing, and how it tracks you. Here's the first box. You know, I honestly forget what I ordered. Let me go grab something to cut it open with. Got our handy dandy American key. So, you know, hey, gotta support. Let's do this now. Ooh, wow. Well guys, I give you the VGM Pocket Light. This thing is supposed to be really bright. We're gonna open it up and see what it's all about. Guys, it's like Christmas all over again. I love it. Christmas every day. It's amazing. So I've been needing one of these for a little bit because I have a smaller one, but for this new camera, I wanted all new stuff. So here we go. So guys, we've got the camera, we've got a charger because it's a rechargeable one. We've got a shoe mount here for the camera. And let's see here, here it is right here. Man, that thing is very compact. Let's see if it's charged. Woo! Wow. That makes such a difference. Like, that's insane, guys. Jeez. And I think, yeah, you can do different colors. Like, you can do different color modes and stuff. You can do like a bright white. You can do, or a really yellow. So like you can do a, I don't know how well it'll focus, but you can do a bright white and a bright yellow. So this is gonna make a difference at night so much. So there's that, and let's get to the next unboxing. Alright, next up we've got a bag. And remember, all this stuff is for this Sony camera. So these are all accessories for this camera. Got this bag here, pretty light. Ultra, don't quote me on it, but it's ultra tempered glass. So it's so for the screen that this camera has on it, this is a tempered glass protector, so it doesn't get scratched or anything like that. So we will be putting this on in a little bit. I'm not going to put it on camera because you all won't even be able to see it, so there's no point. So there's that. On to the next. We have the wireless go-to. This is a microphone system, a clip-on microphone system. So it's dual channel wireless. It has a 3.5mm USB-C iOS audio output. So you can use this with your phone, iPad, camera, anything that supports a 3.5 audio output. It has a built-in microphone, duh, it's a microphone. And it uses 2.4 gigahertz digital transmission. So it transmits through 2.4 gigahertz, which is pretty good. So this thing has very good range. Let's see here, extended range of 200 meters. Line of sight, so it has to be in line of sight. Onboard recording capabilities and much more. let's see here. So it contains 1 receiver, 2 transmitters, 4 windshields, USB-C cables, 3.5, and a carrying couch. Let's get into it. Alright guys, we got it open finally. Let's see here. So, there's our bag of cables that has the 2.5, USB-C, and USB to... Okay, so it has a few different things in it, yeah. And this is by Rode. So this is by Rode. This is their Rode Wireless Go 2 dual channel wireless microphone system. Here's that nice carrying couch. It's felt, so it's very protective. It's nice Velcro on it. And now, the important thing in this whole thing, the actual microphones. So there's our little wind things right there. Those are wind things that go on top of it. I'm supposed to twist it this way, so line up the dots. So there's little dots on this. I don't know how well it'll focus on it, but there's little dots on here somewhere. And then on here, you definitely can't see that, but there are 2 white dots that you line up. So you'll feel it click in, and then you twist. And there it is. It's on. It's on just like that. I'm excited to start using these things. The receiver's right here, so this is going to go on top of the camera or somewhere to basically receive all the audio from these transceivers or whatever they're called. So I'm excited to start using them. Let's get into the final and probably the most important part of this unboxing series. Now for the most important part of this whole unboxing, we have the vlogger kit. It has a tripod, bag, and it even comes with an SD card. That's cool. Because SD cards are a little bit pricey these days. So, these we will be popping later. So this is how you pair the thing with the camera. Look at that. They double box it for you. That's so cool. Ooh. Sony 64GB SD card. That's awesome. That's so cool. Ooh, and it comes with a carrying couch. It comes with a carrying pouch too. That's nice. All your little manuals. Again, this is made by Sony. Wow, look at this thing. This is nice. Legs come out. Tripod just like that. And you have a little shooting grip here. That's cool. So you can actually turn it like that. So you can shoot other ways. That's nice. So we're gonna go ahead and pair this with the camera and I will be right back. Well guys, we finally got it working. I'm not even touching the camera, it's all this. Zoom out. Whoa. Look at this. This is so much fun, guys. That's so cool. What? This is so cool. Guys, I'm so excited to use this because this basically means that I can remotely control. If I want the camera somewhere and I want to actually control what it's doing, or if I want to zoom in, I can do it. So, well guys, that is everything that we have to unbox right now. I'm excited to start using this camera finally. I am waiting on one more thing coming in tomorrow. So you all will see that in a later video. But guys, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you doing if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet? Sorry guys, I'm just having too much fun with this Zoom. It's too much fun. But anyways, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.